Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to see all of you. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now for today's video, I'm doing a wash and go after taking a month break. I'm actually very excited about doing this wash and go. Now I've already pre-pooed off camera, and if you want to see how I pre-poo, I'll go ahead and link down below my pre-poo videos for you to view later on. Now for deep conditioning, I'm going to use the main choice, the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote hair mask. Now this stuff smells incredible, guys. It's like a mixture of like passion fruit and pineapples. I absolutely love it. Now the consistency is creamy, it's not too thick, and it really has great slip that my hair can definitely benefit from. So yes, that is what I'll be showing you today. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did my ginger and olive oil treatment. I've pre-pooed, washed, and conditioned as well. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like with no products in. As you can see, my hair is very thick, which is why I love working in sections. You know, it just overall makes things easier for me to just deal with my hair, because honestly, handling all this hair at once would just be absolutely too much for me to handle. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and section off this hair so I can apply the deep conditioner. Okay, now that I have my hair in sections, I'm going to go ahead and mist my hair with water so the deep conditioner can apply better to my hair. Now, if you watch my videos, then you know how much I just love the main choice. I just feel like, one, I absolutely love all of their products, but more importantly, I just feel like their products really work for my hair. Now, for this deep conditioner, this deep conditioner is supposed to help support natural growth and retention. It is infused with biotins and vitamins A, B, C, and D. Now, this mask is also infused with Kalahari oil, Olester oil, Mongongo oil, and baobab oil. I hope I said that right. Now, overall, this mask helps with deeply penetrating well into all layers of your hair shaft. It prevents and repairs cuticle damage, it restores hair condition, and overall delivers shine. And this mask is also loaded with fatty acids and omega-3, 6, and 9. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just work in really small sections. Working in small sections just kind of works for me. It's just better for me to just manage my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and just work in small sections and really make sure that I apply that deep conditioner evenly from roots to end. Now, I always make it a point to concentrate on my ends. So of course, you know, since they are the oldest part of my hair, I always make sure that I am attending to those ends. So I'm just going to go ahead and just continue with this routine throughout my hair, just to kind of make sure that I am applying the deep conditioner evenly. But I wanted to just go ahead and show you guys a clip on how I really apply the deep conditioner. I feel like taking this method just overall works for me, just because it's the only way that I can really ensure that I've covered all parts of my hair, because as you can see, I do have a lot of hair, so working in small sections is just the best approach when it comes to wash day. Okay guys, I went ahead and I rinsed off that deep conditioner. Now I absolutely love this deep conditioner. Now, aside from the incredible smell, it really left my hair so soft. My hair feels super hydrated, and more importantly, my hair is tangle free. Now, when it comes to deep conditioning, if you've seen my previous videos here on my channel, then you know it is a must when it comes to my hair regimen. I deep condition with heat just because, since you know I have low porosity hair, I need the heat to help open my hair follicles so the deep conditioner can better penetrate in my hair. Now, I've been taking this approach since my transitioning days. It works very well for me. Now that my hair is completely clean, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into small sections so I can go ahead and begin applying my products for my wash and go. Okay, so for this wash and go, I'm going to be using the Bodyworks. This is the Almond Marshmallow Hydrating Serum. Now, I can't really describe just how good this stuff smells, guys. Now, like, it just smells like cotton candy with like a mixture of lime. It's absolutely incredible. Go to your beauty supply store, find it, smell it, you're gonna fall in love with it. Now, I'm also going to be using the Kinky-Curly, the leave-in. Absolutely love this leave-in, and I'm actually going to be pairing it up with the Kinky-Curly Custard. Now, this is one of my favorite custards. It's a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. So this is what I'll be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mist my hair with some water. My hair tends to dry up very quickly, so before I start applying my products, I definitely want to make sure that I am saturating my hair with water just to make sure that it's evenly coated, and just more importantly, when I do add that water, it really does help when you apply the products because it goes in a lot smoother. So I'm going to start off using this amazing, incredible serum that I love. It has a very light gel consistency. It's not sticky at all. It just smells incredible. And guys, it just gives me this incredible shine. So this is definitely a must for me. I'm definitely going to go ahead and continue to use that. So I'm just going to go ahead and just apply that to my hair. And then moving on, I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in. I definitely need to have a leave-in before I add any type of custard or gel, because if I don't, then, you know, my hair is definitely going to feel dry. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that leave-in from roots to end, definitely making sure that I'm focusing on my end and just making sure that my hair is not free, there's no tangles, it's looking good, very defined. So then I can go ahead and jump in and apply that custard. Now, this custard is absolutely my favorite. I've been using this custard ever since I have been doing wash and go. It's definitely number one. It's a little bit, you know, on the sticky side, not too terribly. It smells amazing, smells like marshmallow. So I'm just going to go ahead and just take a little bit of that and just apply it to that section just to help define it. I, of course, like to make sure that I always rake that in. I feel like when I rake in the custard, it just gives me more definition. And then I always go back in there, try to smooth it out, definitely working it at my roots to make sure my roots don't end up being frizzy. But yeah, I just kind of do the praying method and just kind of glide that product in. And as you can see, my hair is kind of clumping up. It's giving me that definition, and more importantly, it's looking very hydrated. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do this throughout my entire head. I just wanted to give you guys just kind of like more in-depth clip in regards to how I apply the products, and I'm going to go ahead and just leave you with some music as I go ahead and finish this wash and go, and I will come back when I am done. Okay guys, I am finally done with my wash and go. Look at all that shine, that definition, that moisture. Love the way my hair came out. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to go ahead and just let it air dry for a few hours. I have some errands to run. I'll let it air dry and I will come back to show you the final results. And voila, I am finally done with my wash and go. I actually let my hair air dry for a few hours and then I sat in the dryer for a little under an hour. But this is the final results. Love the way my hair came out. Love picking my hair. You know, this is day one hair, so I definitely do a little bit of picking and fluffing just for a little bit of volume. But yes, absolutely love the way this combo came out. I'm so happy with it. I'm actually very excited that I did this wash and go. I haven't done a wash and go in over a month, so I just definitely miss it. And this hairstyle is going to go ahead and last me for a full week. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you for taking the time to do so. I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.